This is Parashat Vayakhel. Parashat Vayakhel says that Moshe Rabbeinu commands the Hal Yisrael to come together, and through to being together to build up the Mishkan. Everybody brings the articles that Hakadosh Baruch Hu told them to bring, and everybody at the Hal Yisrael come and make it. Now, the Hal Yisrael are not professional people; they were slaves. Ramban says that these people, even though that they were slaves, they were working with bricks, and they were working with bricks. It's a hard job, but it makes muscles. It doesn't make you to do elegant stuff. And here in Mishkan, it's full of elegancy, it's full of beautiful items with the beauty. And Ramban asks, how is it possible? He says, once the Hal Yisrael loved Hashem, the love that they had for Hakadosh Baruch Hu, that made it to happen. And all of the vessels of the Mishkan, they were measurement for it. Now the measurement, right now we want to build a house. You are very careful with every inch of the house, what to do, how to go about it. If you want to make a car, every inch is calculated how to be used. And lahavdil, to be separation between that and what Hashem is doing. In other words, Hakadosh Baruch Hu also is making the Mishkan. Every measurement is very important. Every article that we have in Mishkan, like Zohar HaKadosh explains, it denotes on something in the Olam Yonim, spiritual world of Hakadosh Baruch Hu. Now, every measurement indicates something in Olam Yonim, Olam of Hakadosh Baruch Hu. Therefore, all of the vessels, Aron, Menorah, Shulchan, Mizbeach, all of these things have a measurement. Now, there is one vessel that is no measurement for it, and that's a cure. That wash basin that they made that Kohanim should wash their food, their hands and their food before doing the avodah. For that, there is no measurement. Now, what was it made of? In this parasha, they made from the copper. Where did you get copper to make that? From the mirrors of the ladies of the Hal Yisrael, that the mirrors, that through that mirrors, the ladies through the mirror made themselves beautiful for the husband. And there was a mirror. It's very important for a lady. A lady wants to see herself, to beautify herself, to see how could make herself more beautiful. Mirrors are very important. But Torah testifies that these ladies, even those mirrors, they brought it for Mishkan. The mirrors those days were all made out of copper. They would sharpen the copper and make it very clear and zakuk, and through that use it as a mirror. Therefore, this copper that they brought, they make it kior and kano. One reason is because kior was used for a lady that go astray, sota, and they make her drink from that water of the kano, water that was in there, to test her. So the ladies brought that happily to say that we want to stay away from this thing. They are modest ladies. Now they made kior kano. Now Ibn Ezra says that there wasn't any measurement for that. There wasn't any measurement. Why there wasn't any measurement? Because the measurement was according to all of the mirrors that they brought. HaKadosh Baruch Hu didn't make any measurement for kior kano. When Ezra explains, these ladies were snua, they were modest, and they left their desire, the lust, the going after all types of things that the society and people, ladies are involved with. Just Olam has a materialistic life, to be involved and indulge in materialistic more and more, just to beautify themselves, the external beauty through mirrors. They gave up all of these things for Hakadosh Baruch Hu. Hashem says, if there are such ladies that they have such a love for me, that they give up even that for Hakadosh Baruch Hu, they don't want that beauty of external beauty and something that all of the society and all of the people are going after, but they understand, they realize there is something above that, and they come to me. Like said, that Ongolos explains, these ladies came to hear the Torah, to hear the mitzvot, to apply that home, to make it Kadosh home, to make a Bet HaMikdash out of their home. These ladies, for making the kior, there is no measurement. The measurement of HaKadosh Baruch Hu is their love and dedication. Hashem says, we make the kior out of what these ladies bring. The measurement is the measurement of the ladies, the love that they show. The love that they show, that love made the measurement for this Kelly. Very interesting idea. Very interesting. Everything has measurement. But once somebody goes above his taiva, his desire is lost, and dedicates himself for HaKadosh Baruch Hu, for that there's no measurement. There's no measurement. It becomes the oneness with HaKadosh Baruch Hu himself. And that was what presented in Kiorikino. I know that HaKadosh Baruch Hu says there is no measurement for it. The measurement of that is the love that they showed, unbounded, unlimited love that they showed, and they received unlimited love from HaKadosh Baruch Hu to designate that Surah Elyona, to Surah that's in Shamayim, heaven, of the Kiorikino should not be measured by the measurement of Shamayim, should be measurement of Haaretz Tachton, the earth, because it's the indication of love of this Eshet Chayit of Gahal Israel, to show the love to HaKadosh Baruch Hu.